us all. When the truth comes out, the world is going to tremble so much it may just split in two. That's how many secrets are out there, and that's how much, once we wake up, we will have changed. An awakening is literally crossing over to the other side. I hope you all know that. And you know, the real ones that are awake on Earth right now are trying to bring out truth in a way where it could be upsetting them, it could be causing them to feel that they've not successfully achieved their goal. Not me. My goal is to share the truth and to share what I know. My goal is not to wake up the entire world. No one will ever be able to do that. It will always be that there will be a part of the world that is what we call asleep. Looking at wars on the moon, some of us are so awake, we're already finding out where the soldiers are being hired from to go up there, and some of us, we're not there. Check it out.
The hell is that? Holy shit. Slow? That was a plane at the beginning. Wait a minute. What the hell? Is it actually going down, or is it just...
When I see these things happen, these events happen to me all the time. Whether it's always when I'm alone. I connect with them. I speak. It's like my mind connects with some of the lights going by, and not all the lights are just satellites and lights. There's so much secrets out there that people don't know. But the ones connecting with other beings and entities all of their lives are trying to share the truth to others.
There it is. I hope it makes a cool video. What the hell?
People remain asleep.
Okay.
If the trolls, hackers, and government agents don't want me sharing my channel and sharing the truth of what I'm seeing, I'll keep all the truth for myself. You can stop me from sharing the truth, but you'll never stop me from connecting with these beings.
Whatever it is, I hope it makes a cool video. What the hell? Okay. I see that is an airplane. And you can obviously see it really well. See? That's what an airplane looks like. As compared to what I got before. When an airplane flashes, you see it flash.
Now hear me out. Before we get into the UFO that we just saw, I want to explain what I believe we are possibly seeing. You know those spheres that I usually get, like these? Sometimes they interact, they're slow, they're close. Well, we're going to go back to look at the beginning. When I first saw this object, it looks like two spheres side by side. And then it actually looks like the sphere on the right will consume, in a way, the sphere on the left. Literally, they become one. When that happens, the wavy, watery motion begins. And the UFO that came down to the house during Halloween in 2020, the close one, this one, when it came down, it was acting like that water that we just saw. So we're going to go and really look closely at those two objects consuming themselves, each other, literally in slow motion, really close up. Hopefully YouTube won't pixelate it too much. Here, my videos are never pixelated. I never go past the pixelation point. I always stay back. So let's go check that out. I'm talking about it at home when I make the videos. They're not pixelated. But of course, YouTube, the bandwidth, whatever the reason, they have better quality, right? So let's get to it. Let's look at those two spheres together. But first, these are the regular UFOs that I see in the sky, right? Well, one type of them, because there's different characteristics, but you recognize them, right? Now, these two are interacting together. So now, if it's not a shape-shifting UFO that changes shape and form that we just saw at the beginning of this video that we're going to see again, it would be those two spheres, one consuming it. I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm looking forward to answering hundreds of comments tomorrow, everyone, and to knowing what you all think of this. Now watch this. Two spheres we can suppose that we sort of see because there's a separation in the middle. But look, oops, look what happens to the one on the left. It literally is either consumed by the right one, in a way, visually. This is what we see visually. Look, now they're both combined. Now the flickering starts. It's absolutely amazing. Now don't forget, I've shown many different characteristics of UFOs. One even with...
Oh my God. Ah! What the hell? Wow. 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 Oh my God. I don't know what that is. Fucking glorious. Oh my God. Flash for me. What the hell? Look at that.
UFOs in the sky are always doing something, and you have to see them. And I'll tell you what, there's obviously an area of Earth where they're going to be more active. If I'm seeing more than someone else, and if someone else is seeing more than me, there's a reason for that. I don't think we know about any of the reasons about anything. We're always left in the dark. A materializing ball of light that will become solid. Look carefully. That's when I started analyzing the orbs. I mean, we all know that most of the orbs is dust mites, right? We have people making videos dancing in the dust, telling people that aliens are here in the rooms with them. It's too much for me to take in, I'm telling you. And this is why they're attacking the channel. Check it out. I smile every day when I come on and talk with you all because I authentically am proud to be here. But look at the views going down, which I look at every day. I report by myself. I get no help from nobody. I'm here by myself pushing this channel out. All that talk about hackers and white hats and people protecting channels is a lot of bullshit, because it's pretty sure my channel has never ever been helped and only been attacked. Agents, there it is, the flat line. It goes up straight like a board all the time. All my videos go up straight like a board and then curve at the end, and that's what happens all the time. All the videos, and only the last videos get views out of the 2,000 videos that I have. So I'm still here pushing this, and all I'm asking are for people to subscribe to the channel. Waiting for those 4 subscribers to get to 88,000. but the band plays on.
They're up there sitting down in that fun too. They rock everybody up in their belly party. They come in here so soon. Yeah, aliens are up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter 'cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.